Hey guys, this is a split keyboard prototype that I built out over the weekend. Actually works pretty well. So the touchpad on the HTC Vive is mapped out to this keyboard, the left to the left, obviously, and the right to the right. And it's not super fast, but it is faster than the laser pointer key input. And I think it's more accurate than the HTC Vive's touchpad input, mostly because you can go all the way to the edges and not worry that you're hitting any of the punctuation keys. And it's also closer to you, which I think is nice. I actually think the Vive's keyboard could be better if they took out a bunch of the keys around the top and the edges. But yeah, this is just a simple 2D canvas dropped on top of the model's layer. And then I just split the touchpad up into, the keys. So it's, 1 to -1 and -1 to 1 on both axes. And you just divide that up by the keys that you want. And yeah. So I think this is decent. It's not the best way of typing, but I do think it's actually probably good enough to use because I actually haven't seen, anything great out there yet either. Google's drum kit typing system is pretty interesting, and that looks a lot faster. I think anything where you can track the movement is really good. The problem with this is you don't know where your finger's going to land, because this was originally based on, how we use muscle memory when we type on our phones. But something I pretty quickly realized was the problem with that is you don't really know where your finger is going to land because your head is covered with a VR headset. So, yeah. There it is, my little split keyboard prototype.